Subaru may have built the most capable Forester yet, but one overlooked weakness could turn its hybrid into an expensive mistake. The 2027 Forester introduces the first Wilderness Hybrid, combining 194 horsepower, improved fuel economy, 9.3 inches of ground clearance, and Subaru's trusted symmetrical all-wheel drive. Yet stronger efficiency and trail hardware do not automatically guarantee performance, refinement, technology, or value. Strap in, feel the power. Welcome to Torque Tribune, where every turn fuels your passion for motoring. Before you place an order, here are 4 compelling strengths and 3 deal breakers that could reshape your 2027 Forester buying decision. Perk number 4. Wilderness Hybrid. Electrified torque meets trail hardware. The Forester Wilderness Hybrid combines Subaru's rugged trail formula with electrified efficiency. It produces 194 horsepower, offers up to 481 miles of estimated range, and targets 25% better city fuel economy than the gasoline Wilderness. Instant electric torque should improve control on loose trails, snow, mud, and uneven terrain. Crucially, Subaru retains 9.3 inches of ground clearance, all-terrain tires, protective cladding, reinforced cargo hardware, and washable StarTex upholstery. Final testing will determine real-world results, but this looks like an adventure hybrid, not merely a commuter crossover wearing rugged trim. But trail-ready hardware matters only if drivers can confidently see and use the Forester during ordinary trips and tight maneuvers. Perk number 3. Clear sightlines. Practical design beats fashion. The Forester's excellent outward visibility remains one of its most useful everyday strengths. Its upright greenhouse, tall windows, slim pillars, and elevated driving position make corners easier to judge, surrounding traffic easier to monitor, and parking less stressful. The boxy body also improves headroom, rear seat comfort, and cargo access, with a wide rear opening for bulky equipment. Subaru's EyeSight system adds adaptive cruise control, lane centering, pre-collision braking, and lane departure alerts, while available features include reverse automatic braking and a surround view camera. Here, technology strengthens thoughtful design instead of compensating for poor sightlines. That sensible cabin is matched by an equally familiar gasoline powertrain, although predictable engineering comes with a clear performance trade-off. Perk number 2. Proven boxer power. Familiarity could pay off. The gasoline Forester favors familiar engineering over neck-snapping acceleration. Its naturally aspirated 2.5-liter boxer 4-cylinder produces 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque through a continuously variable transmission, while the flat engine layout helps lower the center of gravity. Without a turbocharger, intercooler, or boost control hardware, the powertrain avoids some added complexity, though maintenance still matters. Subaru technicians know this engine family well, which may support predictable long-term ownership. Yet the Forester's defining advantage is not speed or mechanical simplicity. It is the traction system drivers trust when weather and grip suddenly deteriorate. And when conditions turn hostile, Subaru's familiar all-wheel drive engineering becomes more important than winning any on-ramp acceleration contest. Perk number 1. Symmetrical AWD. Subaru protects its greatest strength. The Forester's greatest advantage is that hybridization preserves Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive. Unlike systems relying on a separate rear electric motor, Subaru continuously manages torque using wheel speed, steering, braking, acceleration, and grip data. Dual-function X mode adds settings for snow, dirt, deep snow, and mud, while hill descent control regulates speed on steep terrain. Combined with 9.3 inches of clearance, trail-focused tires, and instant electric assistance, the Wilderness Hybrid delivers genuine capability. Proper tires still matter because physics always collects its bill, but this is real traction engineering, not rugged-looking decoration. Before we reveal the 3 weaknesses that could change your buying decision, hit the like button and subscribe to Torque Tribune. Your support keeps more high-torque vehicle reviews, technical breakdowns, and automotive updates accelerating onto the channel. Those strengths build an impressive case, but now the torque curve drops as 3 potential ownership frustrations enter the spotlight. Pitfall number 3. Highway refinement. Rugged hardware may get noisy. The Wilderness Hybrid looks convincing on paper, but real-world refinement remains unproven. All-terrain tires can create extra road roar, the upright body may generate wind noise, and a boxer engine paired with a continuously variable transmission can drone under hard acceleration. Hybrid assistance may improve low-speed quietness and reduce engine load, but rugged hardware and premium silence rarely share the same garage. Buyers should test coarse pavement and highway speeds, listening for tire noise, mirror turbulence, and engine strain while merging. Noise is not yet a confirmed defect, but frequent freeway drivers should investigate carefully before buying. Even if the cabin proves acceptably quiet, another daily irritation could be waiting directly in the center of the dashboard. Pitfall number 2. Infotainment. Big screens, questionable execution. The Wilderness Hybrid receives an 11.6-inch portrait touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, but large displays do not guarantee smooth operation. Frequently used climate, audio, and vehicle functions may require several taps, while earlier Subaru systems have drawn criticism for sluggish responses and complicated menus. Updated software could improve matters, so buyers should judge the 2027 interface firsthand. During a test drive, connect a phone, adjust the temperature, change audio sources, and enter a destination. Those ordinary tasks reveal more than screen measurements because a slow interface can become increasingly frustrating during daily ownership. A frustrating screen may test your patience, but the final weakness could determine whether the entire Forester package feels worthwhile. Pitfall number 1. Modest output. Pricing could break the deal. The gas Forester's 180 horsepower is adequate, but hardly forceful in an SUV weighing more than 3,500 pounds. The hybrid's 194 horsepower and electric assistance should improve initial response, yet this remains a practical crossover rather than a performance machine. The larger concern is price. Subaru has not announced the final Wilderness Hybrid MSRP, and combining hybrid hardware with Wilderness equipment will command a premium. If priced near mainstream hybrids, its clearance and standard all-wheel drive could justify the cost. Near premium SUV territory, however, modest acceleration, uncertain refinement, and a potentially frustrating interface become harder to excuse. Ultimately, every advantage and concern flows into one decisive issue: whether Subaru prices its added capability at a genuinely competitive level. Verdict: capability leads, but value makes the decision. The 2027 Forester Wilderness Hybrid could become the lineup's sweet spot by combining improved efficiency, excellent visibility, usable ground clearance, and Subaru's signature all-weather traction. It offers genuine trail capability rather than relying on cosmetic cladding, and its instant electric assistance should make low-speed driving smoother and more responsive. However, buyers should carefully test highway noise, infotainment responsiveness, acceleration, ride comfort, and everyday usability before signing anything. The final price will determine whether this is a smart adventure hybrid or an expensive niche choice. Choose it for traction, practicality, space, and long-term usability, not outright speed or class-leading digital polish. Would you choose the Wilderness Hybrid for its all-weather capability, even if its acceleration remains modest? How much extra would you pay for hybrid efficiency without sacrificing Subaru's trail-ready hardware? Share your thoughts, experiences, and buying priorities in the comments because your perspective could help another enthusiast make the right decision. Subscribe to Torque Tribune to get notified about the next vehicle updates, technical reviews, and upcoming videos. The 2027 Subaru Forester is just one of many exciting vehicles reshaping the automotive landscape. Click one of the videos on your screen now and discover what could be your next favorite vehicle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.